Hi, this is PC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove photosensitive video from TikTok. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! The photosensitive epilepsy setting displays a warning that aims to protect those who may be sensitive to some of TikTok's creative effects. You can choose to filter out videos that contain TikTok effects that might cause visual sensitivity. So how to do it? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can go to your profile. You can tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings and privacy. You can scroll down on content and display section. There is an option accessibility. You can tap on that. And you'll see on the bottom there is an option photosensitive videos. The toggle is activate. You can activate this feature by tap onto the toggle like this. So TikTok will remove videos using effect that might trigger photosensitive seizures. So your TikTok will be more safe. So that is how to remove photosensitive videos on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!